New teeth in one day. New smile in one day. Your entire life back in just one day.
You never realize what teeth do for you until you got some nice teeth. It just opens up so many windows.
Yes, we can restore a full mouth of teeth within 24-hour period. These will be functional and permanent teeth that are just as real as your own natural teeth. You can chew with them and eat anything you want without any pain.
I wish I had gotten the implants sooner. They've just made my life so much easier. I mean, I can eat, I can clean my teeth. I don't have to worry about eating something and my teeth are going to break off at the gums. It's wonderful.
Call now to schedule a free consultation and to see if you are a candidate for a same-day teeth procedure. We can help you.
Within half a day, I walked out with a set of teeth, and it was nice. Right then and there was a transformation that even though, when I smiled, I'm like, wow, that's mine.
If you're struggling with your teeth and you know that you can get implants, I would definitely do it. Dr.Cheema is the one that you want to go to. He will change your life like he changed mine.
This is something that we do every day for our patients. My name is Dr. Cheema, and I'm looking forward to meeting you.